Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you Tuesday morning, July 24th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, we have corn trading 30, 32 lower in the September contract, about 20 or so lower in the Dece contract. Soybeans 48 to 50 lower, and wheat 30 to 32 lower. Outside markets, we got a little bit of dollar strength in treasuries. Those are the safe havens. Another bit of risk off today. I don't think that's the story behind the grains right now. Better rains, outside markets, profit taking. You take your pick there, but bottom line is the market, at least in the corn, went from about $5 to $8 in the blink of an eye. The market got a little overdone. And in my commentaries, I've been telling you the market is due for a correction. Corrections are healthy for the market. And it's often, very difficult to pick at what level the market stops this correction. Does it last a day or two or three or four? I don't know. Oftentimes it will be just a technical level. But again, the market is very overbought, especially when you talk about soybeans in terms of, record long position there. That makes the market a little bit more vulnerable. You see guys, racing to get out with those profits. So it's again, very difficult to say when does this end. But at some point, I do think it becomes a buying opportunity. Nothing's really changed here fundamentally. We do have a very tight supply. The drought conditions, for corn at least, it's probably too late to improve the condition of the crop. Soybeans have a chance of getting better. Soybeans are entering a very critical pod filling stage of development now. So maybe, soybean crop condition could improve. Corn, I think it's probably too late, and wheat will probably follow corn. Yesterday in the weekly crop progress report, the update on crop conditions, corn, good to excellent, 26% of the crop. Last week it was 31%. In the soybeans, we got 31% of the crop, good to excellent. A week ago it was 34%. We are getting rains through the northern, eastern part of the Corn Belt, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, at least in the northern part of Illinois. We're seeing some better rains. So, that helps pressure the market a little bit. I think this is more of a market that is overdone and just needs to correct itself. So, again, I do expect that the market may trend a little bit lower for a short time. At some point, we find support. I don't know if the high's in or not. We're going to have to wait and see, how things develop. Higher prices are in order. I just don't know if we need to have corn above $8. There's a lot to talk about here. I don't have much more time. I'd appreciate, if you shoot me an email or give me a call. My number is 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.